But there's a catch. OpenAI's image generator isn't available to free users. Enter xAI's Grok 3, a powerful, freely accessible alternative. How to create Ghibli-style images using Grok. Here's a step-by-step guide to generating your own Ghibli-inspired portrait using Grok 3. 1. Access Grok on X or the official site. Open the X app and tap the Grok icon, or visit the xAI website directly. 2. Confirm the AI model is set to Grok 3. Once inside Grok's interface, ensure the model selected is Grok 3, the latest version with image generation capabilities. 3. Upload your photo. Click the paperclip icon in the bottom left corner to upload the image you want to transform. Type your prompt. Use a simple text command like, "Please convert this image into a Studio Ghibli-style anime portrait." You can customize your prompt to include specific moods, characters, or color tones. 5. Review and edit. Grok will generate your Ghibli-style artwork in seconds. If it's not quite right, you can edit the image or tweak your prompt for a fresh result.